Hidden beneath one of Florida's most beautiful beaches is a world that most visitors never see. Welcome to Okaloosa Island Pier in Fort Walton Beach, where the Emerald Coast's crystal clear waters reveal rays, colorful fish, and incredible underwater wildlife as the sun sets over the Gulf of Mexico. It's dark in the shadows where marine life thrives. Fred does a flyby and a landing. This little fish goes nose down when it hits the brakes. Those grassy patches aren't seaweed, they're seagrass, one of the Gulf's most important underwater habitats. They provide food and shelter for countless marine animals, and if you look closely you can see a ray camouflaged in the blades. As always, we're still learning. Did we get these fish IDs right? Let us know in the comments. At first it looked like a big boat was passing overhead, but it was actually a school of fish. It's another hidden ray in the distance. An amazing fractured sunlight show shines through the depths. This ray to the left is a little easier to see. This ray coming from right to left has a long tail that you can see. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring beneath Okaloosa Island Pier with us. If you love Florida beaches and underwater adventures, subscribe to Love Florida Beaches. Leave us a comment and we'll see you at the next beach.